You liking your guitar, Bob?
Oh my gosh. I'm thrilled. This is incredible. I'm not even playing it yet. Oh my gosh.
Whew.
Richter scale. Good tap. Here, Joe. I think I need help. I don't know where to hold it. Oh, listen.
We can hear that. I can hear that, yes. Ooh. Do you hear that the deepness of that one?
Oh my gosh, I felt it. Oh my gosh.
Whew.
Richter scale. Okay, here's the top.
Different, but good.
Well, it's going to be different, but imagine the two working together.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, yeah.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
Douglas fir
Oh my gosh.
from Harmigo.
Either one will fit the pattern, so we can avoid that altogether, and we can avoid that altogether.
Oh my gosh.
Kid in a candy store right here.
Well, let's take him over to the guitar.
Want me to run that through the thickness sander so you can see it better?
You want to?
I can.
If you want. Oh no, this one's darker, but that one's pretty. Oh man. Now, what about the bridge? We make the bridge out of the same thing.
Yeah.
You don't have a chunk of it that would be bridge-worthy nearby, do you?
Let's see. Bridge.
Let's try that again. See, there's your wood color.
Yeah.
And it is beautiful, but the browns are a little bit different, and this, the darkness of it just really is a nice look.
So
with
yeah.
the
So
browns.
we've got the fingerboard is
you
going to
go.
be, so we've got plenty to work with there. That's not a problem.
What was that you said, Bob?
I would say go with this as the fretboard and this as the bridge.
Cool. That's going to look
delightful.
nice. It's nice to be able to pick out your own stuff for your
Oh
guitar.
my
isn't it?
gosh, that's crazy. It's crazy. This is like being a kid in a candy store.
Oh, man.
Well, if you lose the center line, then you're kind of guessing at where things go, and then it makes the whole build really difficult.
That's kind of how I would do it. That's why I don't build guitars.
Just assume where the center line is, right? Have you ever had it to where it was like way off, and what would you do on that?
I mean, I've had it where it's a little off.
Yeah.
And the thing I've noticed a lot of times is like on that little guitar out there.
Yeah.
The neck is dead centered on the center line of the glue joint and everything, but the bridge is about a 16th off on one side.
Yeah. I know what you're saying. Yeah.
As long as the strings line up on the
Yeah.
neck.
See now you're getting into almost what carpentry is, because you're rebuilding things a lot of times that are not perfect.
It's right there, so I got no complaints.
Awesome. Who built that? Man, that's great.
Man, I love the size of it.
So that's about mid-size, right?
Yeah. How many times has Joe heard from me, "Hey Joe, I got an idea."
Oh, several.
Oh,
Hey, let's change this. Oh, the whole guitar? No. But I already built it. No big deal.
it won't be tough.
So the only reason I'm marking it down here is so I can have an idea of what angle
Yeah.
to notch it up here with.
Oh, okay.
So we're still all centered up. Nothing has moved, and I've
Oh, I see what you're doing there, Joe. Okay.
notched all everywhere pretty much.
So those actually do go underneath the
This one and this end of the X
kerfing.
brace.
Okay.
Yes.
Excellent. Oh, I see what you're gonna do. Kind of. You almost have to go from the side with a router, or what do you got? A Dremel?
It's a Fordham flexible shaft tool.
You got that from your dentist, didn't you?
No, actually, the first one I bought might have come from StuMac, but I've got a handful of them now.
Oh, okay. That Joe.
So I make sure I am on the top side of the rim where we're gonna put the top.
Right. Oh yeah. You wouldn't want to route that wrong side for sure.
This is just kind of keep it from chipping out too much.
Oh right, yeah. A lot of little stuff you learn. I'm sure you learn that the hard way sometimes.
Oh yeah. So my dad used to say, "Lessons hardest learned, best remembered."
Mm-hmm.
Whoops. Luthier or carpenter, what he ain't.
Is that goes for Luthiers too?
I hope so.
Yeah, a little finish, a little stain makes the customer not complain.
Oh,
How about that? Who needs a CNC, right? You got this.
Cool. You were talking about doing the radius with the CNC.
On the fretboard.
I bet I can do it a whole lot faster with the router.
Yes, and definitely fret slots. Fret slots are a problem because I've had to use a 0.5 millimeter bit.
Yeah.
All right, now we're doing the top.
And now some people don't want their braces touching the top, or because
Oh yeah.
wood shrinks across the grain, not along the grain. So if the top or back shrinks, sometimes you can see the lump. And I've seen it where it's pushed the binding out.
Oh, we do.
Action. Not as dramatic that time.
Isn't it supposed to pop or something?
We're good there.
Wow, that fit nice, didn't it?
Yep. So I might need to.
Because you kind of want it to have a nice fit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
All right.
Yeah. So on this side, I need to. I'm going to sand that because I can tell it's going to want to go. Want to
Yeah.
out of there.
Nice. Like a glove.
Yeah. Yep, that's good.
Yeah, that's excellent.
You got it on the right side?
Hopefully.
I made you look though, didn't I?
Yeah.
I saw you look at this.
Oh,
Is
yeah.
that safe front?
If-
Say that again.
Okay, the top is ready to glue on, but I've got a little glue smear here I want to clean off on on that side of the brace, but otherwise it's ready to go.
Awesome.
So now we put this away safely. As a guitar builder that I took lessons from said, this is like sacred ground.
Oh, yeah.
You don't mess with it.
And then you gonna do the other one today, or are you gonna?
Yeah. We might not. Well, I don't know how long you want to stay. We might not get them all.
I think we're good. I think I don't need to look at both, film both of them. I think everybody
It's the
gets how
same
that works.
process, just
Yeah.
a different shape.
All right. I guess that'll be it for this week. We'll see you next week, guys.